Why do boys often grow taller than girls? Science explained. Have you ever noticed how, in primary school, most girls are taller than boys? But by the time you reach secondary or high school, the boys have often grown taller? Why does this happen? Let's find out, using biology, science, and expert explanations. Chapter 1. Growth in childhood. At birth and during early childhood, boys and girls grow at a similar rate. In fact, between ages 5 and 10, many girls grow faster than boys, and they usually look taller during these early school years. But growth doesn't stay equal for long. According to pediatricians from the Mayo Clinic and scientific research by the World Health Organization, girls usually begin puberty earlier than boys, typically between ages 8 and 13 asterisk, while boys start later, usually between ages 10 and 15. Chapter 2. Hormones change everything when puberty begins. Two powerful hormones take over. In girls, estrogen starts the growth spurt, but also signals the bones to stop growing sooner. In boys, testosterone causes a later but longer growth spurt, especially in the arms, legs, and shoulders. Dr. Robert Bloom, a youth development expert, explains. Estrogen makes girls grow earlier and faster at first, but also tells their bones to stop growing sooner. That's why boys have more time to grow taller overall. Chapter 3. Growth plates stay open longer in boys. Here is the science. At the ends of your long bones are special soft areas called growth plates. These plates control how long your bones get, girls. Estrogen closes these plates earlier. Boys, testosterone keeps them open for an extra 2 to 3 years. Real-life example. In most countries, the average adult man is about 12 centimeters taller than the average adult woman. For instance, in Rwanda, average male height, 168 centimeters, average female height, 158 centimeters. Chapter 4. Genetics also play a role, of course. Genetics also influence height. If both of your parents are tall, you're more likely to be tall too, whether you're a boy or a girl. But even with similar genes, boys tend to grow taller because of longer and stronger hormonal influence during puberty. Chapter 5. Summary and fun fact. So why are boys usually taller than girls? Girls grow earlier and stop sooner. Boys grow later but for a longer time. Testosterone fuels a more extended growth phase in boys. Growth plates stay open longer in boys. Genetics also matters, but hormones are the main factor. Fun fact, basketball teams and track athletes often scout boys in their late teens because their height isn't done increasing yet. Final message, height is just one amazing part of human development, shaped by hormones, timing, and our genes. So whether you're tall or short, remember, your body is growing at exactly the pace it was designed to. Want more fun facts explained in simple language? Like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends. Only on Alliance 5 Official, where science meets everyday life in Kinyarwanda and English.